I've been roofing for 30 years, and I used to do a lot of asphalt when I was younger, and people would walk by and take a look at it and they wouldn't say anything. It wasn't until I started getting into metal roof and with Interlock that people actually say wow. And when you see the finished product, that's where you get a wow. So that's one of the main reasons that I switched over to metal. If I was going to do something, I wanted to do something that I was proud of, and asphalt was just failing and didn't look good.